Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. Today we're gonna learn about jobs. There are so many different jobs. Let's learn some of them together. Actor. An actor. He is an actor. He's an actor. Artist. An artist. He is an artist. Dancer. A dancer. She is a dancer. Doctor. A doctor. He's a doctor. Nurse. A nurse. She's a nurse. Writer. A writer. She's a writer. Singer. A singer. He's a singer. Teacher. A teacher. She's a teacher. Pilot. Pilot. He's a pilot. Athletes. Athletes. They are athletes. Chef. A chef. He's a chef. Vet. A vet. He's a vet. Carpenter. A carpenter. He's a carpenter. Plumber. A plumber. He's a plumber. Firefighter. Firefighters. They are firefighters. Police officers. They are police officers. What do you want to be? I want to be a teacher. What's your favorite job? My favorite job is teacher. I want to be a teacher. This was the end of the lesson. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel to see more videos. Goodbye.